Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial we'll show you how to fix the user profile cannot be loaded or user profile service failed sign-in error on your Windows PC. So let's just get started. We can restart our computer. For that we can start by restarting our computer. Look out for the restart option and restart it, and just go over and boot your computer in safe mode. Apart from that, you can go to the option for troubleshoot for your restart option. Or let's start by opening up our registry editor. Press Windows plus R for that. And here, type in regedit and hit enter and give access. And there we go. Now what we need to do is from this page right here, look out for the HKey local machine box and then expand it. Once you go ahead and expand it, you need to go over to the software section and go ahead and expand it. And within software, look out for the option of Microsoft, expand it, and go over to Windows NT. From here, scroll down until you reach over to Windows NT, this one right here, and expand this one right here as well. Under Windows NT, look out for current version and select it. And what you need to do is select the option of profile list from current version. So go over and go to the profile list section, and there we go. Now from here, what we need to do is find our corrupted file. So here you will be seeing different folders starting here. So what you need to do is basically go ahead from the section S1, 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, etc. So you can just go over and click on each one and look out for this option of profile image path on the right side, and it should show you your username. So within these, if one of these have dot back at the end, that's your corrupted file. So you can just go over and look out for it in 19, 20, or 21. And you can look out for the dot back option. If you find it up, what you need to do is basically look out for the registry key with dot back, the corrupted one, and right click on it and select the option of delete and just go over and remove it. And once that is done, you can close your registry editor and restart your PC. If it's not still working, what you can do is you can just go over and create up a new user account. Just go over and type in command prompt and run it as administrator. After you do so, just go over and type in net and user and new and user once again, name, and type in new and password, and then /add. After that, hit enter. Once this is done, you can type in need local group administrator and type in new username /add. Type in new user name /add and hit enter. Once this is done, you can restart your computer and log in with a new account once again. And that is it. Now you've successfully fixed the user profile not being loaded error on your Windows. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.